The Mini Electric Razor ES4815 offers a skin-friendly foil system with titanium blades designed to prevent beard tugging, ensuring a smooth and comfortable shave. This compact razor is engineered with a professional blade architecture that combines a foil shaving head with a beard trimmer, making it perfect for both stubble removal and long beard trimming. Equipped with an LED display, this razor allows you to monitor the battery life in real time, and the USB-C charging provides a generous 100-minute runtime after a 90-minute charge. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can use this shaver for wet or dry shaving, and its washable design makes maintenance as easy as rinsing it under the faucet. For frequent travelers, the Mini Electric Razor ES48115 is a great companion, thanks to its magnetic dustproof cap, travel lock technology, and cordless operation. The light gold finish of this razor adds a touch of elegance, making it not only functional, but also stylish for daily grooming needs.